This patient, let's call her Lady Jenna Lannister. She's in her 90s, bedbound and struggling to hear anyone because her ears have become completely blocked. And looking at this ear, I really want to know what's hiding underneath. Bismillah, let's go. Generously oiled, although I'm not convinced it's reached the deeper layers. Something tells me this is going to be a real deep one. The surface pieces are easy, but underneath I'm already feeling substantial movement, enough for wiggle mode. There's a lighter layer enveloping the plug, but look what's happening. It's sliding over the surface rather than bringing the plug with it. I see this quite often, but this one is particularly thick. More oil, and right now someone is helping me open this canal. Let's see if that's enough. That's substantial movement. And these incredibly thin, almost icy looking pieces of keratin are disappearing into the suction tube, but the plug still holding on. There, now I've got it. Slowly wiggle mode, and out it comes. Envelope and plug together.
Wow, that's amazing.
Our left ride or die plug stayed together. Hooray! You'd be forgiven for thinking that this is it, because we are nowhere near finished. Look at those thick peripheral layers still hiding behind it. And deeper down, they're becoming much harder to remove. Look how firmly attached these layers are. I'm going to remove them as much as I safely can. Here I'm trying different edges to see which one wants to give up first. Apparently none of them. Lady Jenna has been using eardrops, and the material has become very soft and almost gloopy. The keratin here is also unusually thick and white. But this deeper edge is finally beginning to give. Look at that. We're getting there slowly. Now that was a beautiful backwards peel. The oil has brought that incredibly thin layer right to the surface and allowed it to be suctioned up so easily. Lady Jenna has been amazingly still throughout, which is allowing me to work very carefully at this depth. A few final stragglers with the fine tip, although this one is turning into quite a substantial skin pull. Look at that! This stubborn piece is smaller, it's really not ready to release. I'm not going to force it, and I'm laying it gently back down and leaving it well alone. Now, for everyone who's ever asked me in previous videos, what is that up there? This one's for you. We're in the Cymba Concha. Dead skin, oil and little pieces of wax can collect in this area and simply sit there. There's quite a lot here, and interestingly, even more hiding underneath. And there we are, all gone. And remember, this wasn't even the ear Lady Jenna said was bothering her the most. See you in the next one. And in this next one, his ears looked completely different now. No more tissue fibres.